missing that much, but some of y'all don't listen at all. The same they be pushing your buttons. Got a grown man having withdrawals. I don't mind if you don't listen that much. Yo, I just mind what you say for the crowd. But some of y'all don't.
What up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome back to A Basin on a supposedly 6-inch pow day. I'm not really seeing 6 inches. We did a run. It felt more like 2 inches, but maybe we'll find the pow. Hopefully they open something like the Montezuma Bowl or somewhere really cool. I don't know, but we're here. We're gonna rip. We should get some face shots today. And overall, I'm excited. We got Sean, Cody somewhere behind us, and we're gonna send it. That was some ripping. Hard charging. Woo! I don't even know if I was snowboarding there. I felt like I was just falling. Right there. Oh, that was so scary. How did I? Literally no clue how I stood up right there. I feel like I was like dunzo. I was so dunzo. I was hauling to catch my breath. So it works out. Woo! Woo! We just came down that! How sick is that? Oh, I love snowboarding. Yeah, Khuno! How was that, dude?
That was insane.
Right? So steep and so fun, and just like, there's moments that you're in there, you're like, I'm going to die.
I definitely didn't do anything sexy in there.
A lot of this stuff is just about surviving. Yeah, Sean!
It looks twice as steep from the bottom, too.
Oh, dude, it's so steep.
Like,
It's like a 60-degree pitch.
is it really?
Let's go, dude!
That
I told
was
you.
so steep.
I told you, let's go. Okay, here we go. We're racing. Tunnel, tunnel, right into the trees in the tunnel, tunnel, tree tunnel, tree tunnel. I'm getting a brain freeze, it's so cold. What a run. Still alive again. We're trying to kill Sean today, that's the goal. I was gonna do the clever intro to today's sticker shout out, but I forgot it. So we got Ride Dog 5126 with the red Evolution sticker on the helmet, looking insane, man. Thank you for snagging an Evolution sticker. As well as we got D'Italia with the camo sticker on the snowboard, looking insane, guys. Thank you for snagging Evolution stickers. If you're a skier, we have a ski version of the Evolution stickers. Those are all linked in the description, as well as our new windbreakers. Snag a windbreaker. We have them in blue and gold and black and white. They're super sick. And then we also have the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, guys. All the merch, all of you guys snagging them is supporting the dream. So thank you so much for everyone that has snagged the merch. And if you do snag any of it, make sure you tag me on my Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow the Instagram for just bonus extra content. The stories are the main place where I like to say, like, go check out for the up-to-date content and things like that. But the TikTok just hit 104,000 followers. So check out the TikTok, because stuff's happening there too. I should have took a story of that shoot.
Yeah.
That would have been cool. All right.
Do it again.
Let's go do something again. You want to go do that shoot again? That was so cold. Getting those face shots. Oh! So I'm rocking a new jacket today. By the way, all my gear is linked in the description. Check out the description, it's got a lot of links in there, but they're sick. For this new jacket, it's a kind of a pretty light jacket. Now I know how light of a jacket it is. I'm cold today. But I put like body warmers in my pockets to try and help keep me warm out here. It's so cold when you snowboard, you get a brain freeze. That landing was firm.
Was it?
It was like this way, Sean. That's such a fun run. Here comes the sun. Doo 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 doo. Here comes the sun. I'm gonna hit rocks. Dude, there's no one at A Basin right now. I know that Icon's blacked out, which helps. And then they didn't sell a ton of season passes on purpose. So it's nice coming Christmas week to A Basin. This has been a blessing. They're building the park. Looks like they got a lot done on it. Definitely looks like they're building a jump. Woo! Yeah, this one's gonna be chipmunk. It's a good morning. We got some good pow. Trying to get tracked out. How that spot would be.
It's good.
I saw that from the chairlift, so I was like, that's gotta be where to go. That was good. too cold to end the video. I'm gonna go inside and warm up first, and then we'll end the video. Oh my god. Nothing bad for those loud rocks. Let's go.
It's so cold in your whole ass.
How much I want to go inside? I don't want to talk. Alright, it was a good day with the boys. Sometimes you gotta, or we did our best to fight the cold, but at the end of the day, the cold always wins, I feel like. At least we're parked nice and close. So I'm really excited to try this thruster on like a normal day of snowboarding. But every time we come out, it's a pow day. But we had such a bad start to the season. I am so okay with ripping pow right now. This board's making it so fun too, so keep doing our thing. Guys, this is Gunner. He's a local skier here and he's repping. Let's go. But with all that being said, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. I hope it was as fun for you as it was for us, riding some big, gnarly mountain, getting some face shots, making some turns. With that, as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video because it's daily on this channel.